Alright, so I just got my PyroBoom order in, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for y'all. I did the spend $100, get free shipping, so first off, they've got this paper. As you can see there. Underneath that, I've got 3 things of quick hobby fuse. That super fast fuse they got. I got 5 of these. Five packs of Visco. I've got 5 of these red zip ties. 5 packs of these. I've got a PyroBoom pen, and then underneath that we've got 30 tubes. I'm not gonna pull them all out, but we've got 30 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 rows, that's 30. So there you go.